Hey everybody, I'm Wollerswold, and today I'm going to share with you how much money I made in 2019 on my YouTube channel. I'll also give you some other stats and data on the channel as well. But first, if you're new to this channel is all about credit cards, credit card rewards, and showing you how you can use your points and miles to travel for less. So if that's something that interests you, consider subscribing and turning the bell notifications on as well. Also, consider giving this video a thumbs up. It really does help the channel out. Now, I always try to be transparent with all of you, so I figured this would be a fun video and also let you know some of the struggles I have when it comes to balancing YouTube ads. Now, if you're only interested in the dollar amount I made on YouTube, then you can go to this timestamp right here, because if I don't put that timestamp in, someone's just going to put it in the comment anyways, so there you go. But beyond the amount of money I made on YouTube, I'll also explain my dilemma when it comes to ads and why my revenue might not be as high as it actually could be. Now, for some background information, I became monetized on YouTube in November of 2018, so this was my first full year being monetized on YouTube. So let's quickly take a look at some stats of the channel. Now, at the end of the year of 2019, my channel subscriber count was 5,398 subscribers, so I'm a pretty small YouTube channel. And the channel grew by 3,853 subscribers, which was more than 2.5 times the number of subscribers I had at the end of 2018, which is completely awesome, and I appreciate all of you that tune in and watch the channel. And the number of views on the channel in 2019 were just over 471,000 views, and the total amount of watch time was 40,500 hours, or just about 1,688 days, which is just a crazy amount of time I feel people tune in to watch me. But again, I am very thankful for it. And I'm hoping to see continued growth in 2020, including hitting that 10,000 subscriber mark. I'll need to work to make that happen, but we'll see if it does. But my bigger goal for the year is hitting 20,000 subscribers. This is definitely a stretch goal of mine right now at my current subscriber pace, but I'm going to work really hard to try to make that happen. Now, let's get into why you're probably tuning into this video and how much money I made on YouTube in 2019. Now, in 2019, I made just under $4,010 from YouTube. That came from about 416,000 monetized views, and about $100 of that came from super chats. And when it comes to ads, I really only use skippable ads. I don't use the non-skippable ad ones, although from my understanding, they actually pay out a little bit better than the skippable ones. And you can see that each month, the amount of money I made from ad revenue generally increased, and even with me posting daily in December, it only yielded about $850, which has been my best month to date, but it's not earth-shattering money. If you take into all the time I put in on this channel, I'm pretty sure I made somewhere along the lines about $1.50 an hour. But all joking aside, I'm extremely happy with the ad revenue I made in 2019, but it actually could have been more for me, so let me explain. See, I have this inner ongoing battle about whether I should be adding more ads to my videos. You know, I have some longer videos, and on those, I might add one additional ad, usually within the first 3 to 4 minutes, but that's typically it. I rarely add a second ad to my longer videos. I know YouTube does place them automatically for my live streams, and I don't go back and take those out because it's just extra work on the back end. And if I did add more ads, I would receive more ad revenue and my earnings then would go up. But see, here's my dilemma. If I add more ads to my videos, I make more money, which is pretty simple, right? But I don't know if you, the viewer, would stick around to watch more of the videos if I were to place more ads in my videos. Maybe you will, but I rarely watch videos with multiple ads scattered across people's videos, or I find myself clicking out of their videos early, even if I find that topic interesting. And the other part is I don't add any fluff or filler to my videos to extend my time to get me to that 10-minute mark so I can add in additional ads. I have plenty of videos that are 8.5 minutes long or even longer that I could add in some fluff just to get me to that 10-minute mark, but I don't. See, I respect your time, and at the same point, that's just not something I've ever done or really do I want to do. And I find it's a balance. It's a balance to you, the viewer, to get what you tuned in for each time I upload a video. So I need to keep making quality videos because at the end of the day, content is still king. And then it's a balance to myself, the creator, to make some sort of income on those videos since I now can. And it's one I honestly have no idea how to navigate. The videos take a lot of work and I put a lot of time into this stuff, and sure, it'd be great to make more money on YouTube, but I also want you to get the most out of the videos I put out. And I know there are plenty of people on YouTube that put a lot of ads in their videos, and I guess I could do that, but finding that balance is just something I've just been struggling with because I would rather you watch more of the videos than click out early because I added an extra ad or two. And when I started this channel, it was to help people travel for less, and that's been my primary focus. So I'm honestly not sure how to solve this one, but as I look to grow this channel, I guess I'll eventually figure it out. So you can see that my small YouTube channel, which has just about 5,500 subscribers, made what I would feel is a decent amount of money on YouTube ads, but it wasn't life-changing money. And in 2020, I'm trying to improve my video quality as well, so I'll be using some of my fancy YouTube money to make a few upgrades here to my studio. But more importantly, while I plan to make some upgrades and improve the video quality, content is still king. So I'm hoping to bring you some great content in 2020 and really try to hit that 20,000 subscriber mark. But if you're still watching this, thank you for being part of this community. I really appreciate it, and I hope you a successful 2020. But you know what? Tell me, how much money did you think I made on YouTube before watching this video? Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in this video. If you want to help support the channel, a simple way would be using links on the website or in the description below. And until next time, safe travels and take care.